Welcome to the ultimate vegan kitchen. Today we're gonna prepare vegan kebab skewers. For this recipe we'll need 4 skewers, and I'm using wooden ones which are 25 centimeters long or around 10 inches. 1 green bell pepper, 1 onion, 4 tablespoons of tomato paste, 2 pinches of salt and 1 pinch of pepper, and finally 32 pieces of textured vegetable protein, which is basically dry soy meat. Next we're going to add all the tomato paste to the dry soy meat, followed by the salt and pepper. Then we're going to pour onto it some very warm to almost boiling water. You want to mix it very thoroughly so the tomato paste and the salt dissolve, because the soy meat will absorb the marinade we just created. This is the great thing about TVP, you can create any flavors you want. Cover it up and put it aside for at least 1 hour, or you can let it marinate in the fridge overnight. Then you want to cut the bell pepper and make 12 squares, roughly the size of the soy meat, and put it aside. Do the same with the onion as I'm showing you right now and put it aside as well. As you can see, the soy meat has increased in size and absorbed the marinade. We're ready now to start preparing the skewers. First, you put 2 pieces of marinated soy meat on the skewer, followed by a piece of onion, and a piece of bell pepper. Repeat the process until your skewers are full and look something like this. What you want to do next is cut off any pieces of bell pepper and onion that are sticking out too much, making the skewers more uniform so they can cook better on the grill or in the pan. I put a little bit of sunflower oil on the grill and spread it around with a fresh rosemary twig. Next thing to go on the grill are the skewers. Two tomato halves and the rest of the excess vegetables we cut before. I used the fresh rosemary twig again to spread some oil on the skewers. Every once in a while I turn them around so they get grilled evenly. Just listen to the sizzle for a little bit. I'm sure it will make you hungry. And that's it for this recipe. I served the skewers with some fresh onions, a grilled tomato, and a dip which could be called yellow ivar, made from red bell peppers and mustard. It goes great with it. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more recipes. If you want, you can follow me on Instagram, where I'll be posting more photos like this. Thank you.